Hello folks, this is a very basic but important video related to how languages are classified. Let's have it. Genealogical classification involves grouping languages based on their historical development and descent from a common ancestor. This approach, also known as genetic classification, organizes languages into families according to their diachronic relatedness. Diachrony, rooted in the Greek words dia, through, and chronos, time, focuses on the evolution of languages over time. It contrasts with synchrony, which examines languages at specific moments without considering their historical trajectories. Ferdinand de Saussure, a prominent historical linguist, introduced these concepts, distinguishing between synchronic analysis, which examines a language at a particular point in time, and diachronic analysis, which traces its historical evolution. For example, the study of Middle English illustrates synchronic analysis by examining a specific stage of English development, while diachronic analysis compares different stages to understand language change over time. Saussure argued that while synchrony offers systematic insights, language change is inherently unpredictable, challenging its consideration as a system. Typological classification, on the other hand, focuses on comparing languages based on their structural features, irrespective of their historical relationships. Linguistic typology seeks to describe and explain the structural diversity and commonalities among languages. Its subdisciplines include phonological typology, sound features, syntactic typology, word order and form, lexical typology, vocabulary, and theoretical typology, universal tendencies. Unlike genealogical linguistics, which emphasizes historical descent, typology groups languages or features based on formal similarities. However, genealogical relations remain relevant in typology, as modern data sets strive for representativeness and impartiality by sampling evenly across different language families. This approach underscores the significance of lesser-known languages in understanding human language diversity. In summary, language classification in linguistics employs both genealogical and typological approaches. Genealogical classification organizes languages into families based on historical descent, while typological classification compares languages based on structural features, regardless of their historical relationships. Ferdinand de Saussure's distinction between synchronic and diachronic analysis provides a framework for understanding language variation and change over time. Meanwhile, linguistic typology aims to elucidate the structural diversity and common properties of languages, highlighting the importance of unbiased sampling across diverse language families. Thank you for watching this video. For more interesting videos on languages, please subscribe our channel.